In the world of guitar, there's an old adage, an old wives' tale if you will, that tone is in the fingers. What? So when people say tone is in the fingers, it's more about the spirit of what they're trying to say rather than the actual guitar tone itself, I think. You know, I've got a Paolelli Telecaster here which has a very unique kind of tone. And if I play it, we talk about the definition of tone. And I'm on the bridge pickup here. It's a very trebly, twangy. And I switch to the middle. And it gets to be a very round tone. The tone of the guitar, the sound, the amp, the effects, the guitar pickups themselves, that's really not about your fingers. So when someone's saying that tone is in the fingers, what they're really talking about is that you don't want to get into this idea that when you like another guitar player's playing and you love their sound, that if you had all their equipment in the same guitar and you really loved what they were doing, that you would sound just like them if you had the same exact sounds and tones that you were using from the guitar and the equipment. So when people say that the tone is in the fingers, what they really mean is that player's style and what they do with their tone and how it affects you when you hear it as a listener is about how they play using that tone. But purely and technically speaking, the tone is the tone. So by way of example here, I'm going to dial in a tone which is very unique. It's Dimebag Darrell's tone, or as close as I could get it on my Axe-Fx 3. But I'm going to play some music that's not his on a guitar that's nothing like his. Okay, so here we have a very Dimebag sound. But let's say I decide I want to play a Zeppelin song. Yeah, it sounds like Dimebag's sound, but you're not going to hear it and think, oh, that's Dimebag playing. Now you understand. So the sound that the player chooses and what they're doing with their fingers, with their hands, are all part of the same puzzle that creates what you would call their tone, their sound. But if you're looking to have your own sound, which is what this channel is all about, copying what someone else is doing and getting all their equipment and everything is not really what I would suggest that you do. Certainly you would use it as inspiration to kind of inform your own ideas and things that you like to play, but it should be little pieces from here, little pieces from there, and what works with your own fingers. And try sounds. I mean, what Dimebag did with his sound was really kind of brave, actually, in my eyes, because it's a sound that anybody else would have picked up and would have thought it just sounded like scratchy garbage. But he found a way to take that sound and play it in a way that created a niche that was all his own. And that's really what you want to do. You want to find a thing that is really you. So the old wives' tale that tone is in the fingers, in spirit it's correct, but technically speaking, meh. So anyway, that's my short little discussion on a old adage, and I hope you guys find that little bit of information useful in a way that maybe you go searching for your own tone. In any case, I'm sure there'll be lots of arguing back and forth in the comments below, so I look forward to it, guys. And until next time, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.